Hey guys, one of the most common questions that I get is how do I find the stocks to invest in? There are many ways to find stocks, but not all of them are efficient. The one or the process that I found most helpful and most effective is derived from Peter Lynch's advice to start with what we know and Warren Buffett's advice to not invest on things that we do not understand. And Phil Town's rule number one process applies both of those advices. So let's go through that together. In Phil Town's Rule Number One book, he discusses an author and business researcher, Jim Collins, who presented the idea of the three circles: passion, talent, and money. With passion, he would ask, what do you love to do professionally and as recreation? For talent, the question is, what things are you really good at? And when it comes to money, what do you do to make money, or what do you spend your money on? What we're looking for is something that shows up in more than one circle, a word that points to a product, an industry, or a certain business. For example, my passion and what I love to do is spend time with my family and my kids, traveling, eating out, and buying shoes. So, what am I good at? Planning for trips, finding great restaurants, finding sale items, and buying shoes. And what do I spend my money on? Trips, food, entertainment, shoes, and electronics. So, my circle of competence is probably within the consumer goods, hospitality, technology, services, and entertainment, like grocery stores, apparel companies, hotels, airlines, car companies, entertainment parks, electronic stores, media, or household products. And this is what I call my inner circle of competence. From there, I just make a list of companies that fits within that inner circle of competence, and I look through their financial statements to see if any of them are good candidates for me to do a deeper dive on. For more of this topic, watch this next video about finding great investments.